Hi, I'm Patrick Long from Greenville, South Carolina, work at the Green Room, and today I'll be doing a Havarti cheese sauce with a little bit of heavy cream and some Havarti cheese. Now, first things first, I've got about 12 ounces of Havarti cheese. I'm just kind of going to grate it up right here. Grating it makes it easier to melt into the cheese sauce. You know, if I just to throw this straight block in there, it wouldn't really, it would, number one, it'd take forever to melt. Number two, it wouldn't be very consistent. So I'm just going to grate this cheese like so. And in the meantime, I've got about a cup of cream right in front of me. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to the stovetop. I'm going to go ahead and put this cup of cream into my heavy bottom stock pot. It'll take not too long to boil it up. That's pretty much what you want to do, is bring it up to a boil. And then once it boils, you add your cheese. Okay, so with your cream starting to boil away, I'm just going to slowly add in all my grated cheese. And as that's going, I'm just going to whisk it in until all the cheese is nice and melted. Then you got yourself a nice Havarti cream sauce. So once my cheese is melted into my cream, got a nice Havarti cheese sauce. And you can add more cheese or thin it out more with milk or heavy cream, depending on what exactly you're looking for. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into a pot or into a pan, and then enjoy for dipping, chips, salsa, whatever. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.